Today, we explore a theory that pushes the boundaries of science, captivates the mind, and might make you question everything you know: the hollow Earth theory. Is it merely a myth or a hidden reality we fail to understand? Centuries ago, scientists and adventurers believed that there could be another world beneath the layers of the Earth. Thinkers like Edmond Halley and John Cleves Symmes Jr. proposed theories that our planet might harbor hidden kingdoms, strange creatures, and perhaps new civilizations in its depths. Could the Earth really be hollow? Is there a secret world unknown to us? In this video, we will discuss the origins of the hollow Earth theory, the evidence supporting it, the claims made about it, and its mythological connections. At the end of the video, we will examine the topic from a scientific perspective. Could our world, beneath its surface, conceal another world filled with unknowns? The roots of the hollow Earth theory stretch back centuries, to the golden age of science and exploration. But what exactly are these claims, and how do scientists evaluate this evidence? The theory was first proposed in 1692 by the famous English astronomer Edmond Halley. Halley suggested that to explain the Earth's magnetic anomalies, our planet might consist of concentric spheres moving independently of each other. Halley speculated that these inner spheres could have their own atmospheres and possibly their own sources of internal light, thereby potentially harboring forms of life. The theory became even more popular in the 19th century through the efforts of the American adventurer John Cleves Symmes Jr. Symmes claimed that large holes existed at both poles of the Earth, and these openings could serve as gateways to the inner world. He went so far as to call for an expedition to the poles to prove his theory. Symmes's theory sparked both curiosity and ridicule during his time. However, this did not stop his ideas from spreading across America and Europe. John Cleves Symmes Jr. and other theorists have proposed that these holes are portals to an inner world. However, modern satellite imagery and polar explorations challenge the validity of this theory. Another claim involves the existence of vast underground networks and caves found worldwide. Proponents of the theory believe that these subterranean systems are parts of a larger and more complex inner world structure. Yet, geological studies indicate that these structures are formed by natural processes of the Earth's crust. One of the most enchanting elements of the theory is the mythological inner world kingdoms such as Agartha or Shamballa. These legends appear in Tibet, India, and other ancient cultures, describing these mysterious places as civilizations possessing advanced technology and spiritual wisdom. Agartha is often depicted as a large city located at the core of the Earth. It is said that this city has hidden gateways scattered around the world, with one particularly notable passage in Tibet. The inhabitants of Agartha are described as beings with high spiritual knowledge and technology, living extended lifespans. Shambhala, on the other hand, holds a significant place in Tibetan Buddhism and is sometimes considered synonymous with Agartha. Known as the city of perfection and enlightenment, its residents lead lives of high spirituality and peace, believed to emanate positive energy for humanity. In both myths, these places occasionally intervene in earthly affairs, influencing major global events. However, no physical evidence has been found to substantiate the existence of these mysterious cities. Another intriguing claim is that Nazi Germany conducted secret expeditions to locate this inner world. This reflects the Nazis' interest in occultism and esoteric knowledge, and according to some conspiracy theories, they might have made contact with the inner world during these explorations. Another mystery associated with the hollow Earth is the UFO phenomenon. Some theorists believe that UFOs are actually advanced aerial vehicles from the inner world. These claims are supported by eyewitness accounts and ambiguous photographs, though definitive evidence remains lacking. Throughout human history, stories have been told of mysterious kingdoms and unknown civilizations hidden beneath the Earth's surface. These legends share similar themes with modern interpretations of the Hollow Earth theory. Both explore the idea of undiscovered, advanced, and mystical realms beneath the ground. Now, we will examine these ancient myths and their conceptual relationships with the Hollow Earth theory. In Norse mythology, Svartalfheim, home of the Dark Elves, is located in the underworld and is described as the residence of the Dark Elves. Known for their mastery in smithing and craftsmanship, the Dark Elves create mystical objects. The underground kingdom of Svartalfheim parallels the Hollow Earth theory's idea of civilizations beneath the ground possessing advanced technology and skills. In Greek mythology, Hades is the name of the underworld where the spirits of the deceased reside. More than just a place for the dead, it is also home to various creatures and gods. The mythological underworld of Hades reflects the idea, similar to the Hollow Earth theory, that a vast and complex area could exist beneath the surface of the Earth. In Hindu mythology, Patala is one of the 7 underworlds located beneath the surface of the Earth. These realms are often ruled by Nagas, beings that are half human, half serpent. Patala is depicted as a place rich in wealth and fertility, nurturing the idea that the underworld could have its own distinct ecosystem. The underground world of Patala and its Naga inhabitants resemble the Hollow Earth theory's concept that mysterious and extraordinary beings could live beneath the ground. In Finnish and Hungarian mythologies, Tuonela is a dark and silent underworld where the spirits of the dead go. This world is separated from the living world by a river, and only brave souls or special individuals can cross it. Tuonela's depiction as an otherworldly realm points to the Hollow Earth theory's suggestion that another dimension or plane of existence could exist underground. In Chinese mythology, Diyu is a complex underworld where the dead go. Diyu has many layers and sections, each containing punishments for different types of souls. This mythology demonstrates that the underworld is not only expansive and diverse, but also possesses a comprehensive judicial system. Diyu's multi-layered underworld aligns with the Hollow Earth theory's concept of an underground world with complex structures and various regions. Can the Earth really be hollow? How does modern science answer this question? Let's start by reviewing what is known about the structure of our world. The Earth is a solid sphere with a diameter of approximately 12,742 kilometers. It is composed of layers, the crust on the outside, followed by the mantle, and the core at the center. Each of these layers has different chemical compositions and physical properties. Seismology, the study of earthquakes, plays a critical role in understanding the existence and characteristics of these layers. Seismic waves travel through the Earth's crust at different speeds, and by analyzing how these waves propagate, we gain insights into the Earth's internal structure. If the Earth were hollow, the behavior of these waves would be drastically different. The disciplines of geology and seismology provide no scientific evidence to support the Hollow Earth theory. Additionally, the theory of gravity contradicts this theory. Gravity indicates that the mass of the Earth is concentrated towards the center, and this density shapes our planet's form and orbit. Isaac Newton's laws of gravity and Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity both support the notion that the Earth is a solid sphere and do not accommodate a large hollow space within. These theories also explain the formation and structure of planets and stars. In this video, we've journeyed through a wide range of topics, from the origins of the Hollow Earth theory and its scientific criticisms to the evidence supporting it and its mythological connections. While this theory is not accepted in the scientific community, it remains a fascinating thought that ignites human imagination and curiosity. What do you think? Could there be a hidden world beneath the depths of the Earth? I look forward to your comments. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.